Good morning, Year 7, and welcome to Assembly. This is definitely quite a strange Monday morning for us all. But before you start your week of schoolwork, there's just a few things I wanted you to think about. First of all, in these weird times, what's most important is that we're looking after each other. Your parents and carers are new to all of this as well, and they're certainly new to having you at home all day trying to get on with schoolwork. So make sure that you're looking after them as well. What can you do to help out around the house? Cook a meal, help with the tidying up. Just make sure that you're caring for others as well as having them care for you. That goes for your friends as well. Reach out to each other with a phone call or get together on social media. But make sure that when you're communicating with others, let's just be kind. A nice, thoughtful word and supportive word to others. Now is not the time for the nastiness. And I think actually for me, social media is often such a cause of problems at school. But I think now social media is the greatest tool that we've got. And I'm so excited to think that you can all connect together, share stories, work and learn together, and making the most of social media. So what about getting down to your schoolwork? So important that you're all trying your hardest. I talked to you all last Friday when I came around to your classes about the need for you to be self-disciplined during these strange times. Your teachers aren't going to be able to look over your shoulders and check on everything that you're doing. So if you wanted to, you could get away with being pretty lazy. But I don't think you're going to. I think that you know that the best thing you can do at this time is to get yourself a decent education. Go for it, take responsibility, and be brilliant. I think lots of you are going to learn at this time to be so much more self-disciplined. You're not doing the work because you'll get in trouble if you don't, or you get a detention. You're doing the work so that you get an education, so that you've got opportunities in life. And I think now that you're responsible for your own self-discipline, you're responsible for making sure that the work happens. That's going to be a great learning opportunity for you. There's so much that's going on at the moment that we're unsure about, but I just want you to think about when we do come back to school, how are you going to look back on this period of time? I really hope and I really believe that we can all look back on this time with sadness, but also with pride at the amazing things that we've done. We're going to become kinder. We're going to become more determined. We're going to become more self-disciplined. And how amazing is that? Now, it's 9:05 in the morning if you started assembly at 9 o'clock sharp. So make sure that your place where you're getting on with your work for the rest of the day is nice and clear so you can get on and concentrate. Make sure you have a little bit of a break between lessons. Call a friend. Have a little bit of time kicking a football around outside if you can. Have a really, really good week, and I'll see you for assembly next Monday.